Hi everyone, my name is Nathan McCourt and I work for the CST Academic Advising Office. Today, I will be walking you through the process of scheduling an appointment using the appointment system on TU Portal. This process is quick and very useful as it gives you the ability to schedule an appointment on your own, but you always have the option of either calling our office or stopping in to speak with someone from our virtual front desk to set up an appointment. To start off, go on your web browser and search TU Portal. When logging into TU Portal, use your Canvas credentials and you should be good to go. Once you log into TU Portal, from there you can navigate through the tabs on the top of the page and click on Student Tools. Under the Student Tools tab, you can find a lot of helpful resources here, such as class registration under the registration right here. You can also see your academic history, in addition to the appointment system that's under your student dashboard. So your student dashboard's at the top, and right below it is the appointment system, which we want to focus on today. To begin the process of scheduling an appointment through the appointment system on TU Portal, click on Schedule. Under Schedule, there is some information given that lets students know when our office is open, as well as the Center for Professional Development. These hours are given here, but summer hours may vary. Also, there is some contact and location information to help you find the Academic Advising Office and to reach us either through phone, email, or Zoom. At the bottom of the Schedule tab under Appointment System, you will find a drop-down menu for the appointment type. The options are Future, Same Day, and Semester by Semester Plan. These are all the different types of appointments students can schedule. First, future appointments allow students to schedule an appointment for a future date no more than 2 weeks in advance. Same-day appointments are any appointment time slots that can be scheduled for the same day. These are not always guaranteed and typically open up if another student cancels or if something opens up in an advisor's schedule. Finally, a semester-by-semester plan appointment is self-explanatory in that it revolves around planning out future semesters with an advisor so that you are on track to reach your goals. For this specific example, I'm going to select a future appointment and walk you through the steps that we need to complete next. So after we select appointment type, you get the reason for appointment and choose one of the best options that fits while you're meeting with an advisor. After the reason for the appointment is selected, you must select a target date. For same-day appointments, the target date would be the current date, but for future appointments, you can only schedule 2 weeks in advance, so pick a date that fits into your schedule. So today's date is June 5th. I'm going to select June 8th, which is this Thursday. And last but not least, you have an option to meet with different advisors within your specific team. Advisors' availability will vary depending on the date, and some may not be available to meet with you on a specific day. So for this example, I will click on Lawrence, and I will then hit Submit. After you have settled on a date, click on the Submit button at the bottom like I just did, after you've completed all the previous steps. You will then be asked to submit a comment that describes why you are meeting with an advisor. Be specific and clear so that the advisor can be prepared to assist you in the best way possible according to your needs. After this step is completed, available time slots will appear for the selected date, so find a time slot where you are free and can meet for 30 minutes. If there are no appointments listed, like here, or none of those times work, you can go back and select a different advisor, or you can hit the date button and look at times for other days. So for June 8th, it looks like Lawrence doesn't have any openings, so I'm going to scroll through and look at other dates in the future where he may be available. Okay, it looks like Lawrence has a bunch of openings on Monday, June 12th. So I'm going to select the time, and all appointments are 30 minutes, so I'll just hit 2 o'clock. Another aspect is the appointment type. If you want it to be held in person or remote, certain days advisors have only remote availability, but this will be determined in this drop down menu here. But for this specific example, I can choose either in person or remote. I'll just choose in person. So finally, when you found a date and time that works for you, double check that this is the correct meeting time you intended to choose and click Schedule Appointment at the bottom. This appointment will now show up in your upcoming tab in the appointment system. If anything comes up or a conflict occurs, you have the option to edit your appointment or cancel it. So to do that, click on your appointment. And if you go to the bottom, you have the two options right here that say edit and cancel. So this completes our walkthrough on how to schedule an appointment through the appointment system on TU Portal. Follow these steps and feel free to refer back to this video if you have any questions. In addition, you will always have the option of stopping by at our office located at Tuttleman 111 to schedule an appointment or if you have any questions. You can also email us at cstpeers@temple.edu, visit our virtual front desk, or call us at 215-204-2890. Thank you for watching and have a great rest of your day.